Today, explore Biology Encyclopedia, 30 Biology Symbols, Part 2. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, discover important symbols used to represent concepts in biology, genetics, cells, ecology, and life sciences. Let's continue our educational journey and learn about the meaning, significance, and applications of these fascinating 30 biology symbols. 1. Cell. The cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of life. Explore its structure, organelles, functions, and the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. 2. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of a eukaryotic cell and contains genetic material. Learn about its structure, DNA organization, and role in controlling cellular activities. 3. DNA. DNA is the hereditary molecule that stores the genetic information of living organisms. Discover its double helix structure, genes, replication, and role in inheritance. 4. RNA. RNA plays a vital role in carrying and translating genetic information into proteins. Explore its major types, structure, functions, and importance in gene expression. 5. Chromosome. Chromosomes are organized structures of DNA and proteins that carry genes. Learn how chromosomes store genetic information and how they behave during cell division. 6. Gene. A gene is a basic unit of heredity that contains instructions for producing functional molecules. Discover how genes influence traits, regulate biological processes, and pass information from one generation to another. 7. Protein. Proteins are essential biological molecules involved in structure, transport, defense, movement, and many cellular functions. Explore amino acids, protein structure, synthesis, and functions. 8. Enzyme. Enzymes are biological catalysts that accelerate chemical reactions in living organisms. Learn about enzyme structure, active sites, factors affecting activity, and their importance in metabolism. 9. Mitochondrion. Mitochondria are specialized organelles responsible for producing much of a cell's usable energy. Discover their structure, cellular respiration, ATP production, and role in metabolism. 10. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are plant cell organelles where photosynthesis takes place. Explore their structure, chlorophyll, light reactions, and conversion of light energy into chemical energy. 11. Ribosome. Ribosomes are cellular structures responsible for protein synthesis. Learn how ribosomes read messenger RNA and assemble amino acids into functional proteins. 12. Cell membrane. The cell membrane forms a selective boundary around the cell and regulates the movement of substances. Explore its structure, transport mechanisms, receptors, and communication functions. 13. Cell wall. The cell wall provides strength, protection, and structural support to plant cells and several other organisms. Discover its composition, layers, functions, and differences among organisms. 14. Vacuole. Vacuoles are membrane-bound compartments that store water, nutrients, waste products, and other substances. Learn about their role in plant cells, especially in maintaining internal pressure and cell structure. 15. Lysosome. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down cellular waste, damaged components, and unwanted materials. Explore their structure and importance in cellular recycling and maintenance. 16. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport within or outside the cell. Discover its structure and role in the cell's internal processing and distribution system. (17) Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes involved in protein and lipid production. Learn about rough and smooth and their different roles in cellular organization. (18) ATP. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the primary energy-carrying molecule used by cells. Explore its structure, energy transfer, production, and importance in cellular activities. (19) Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process through which plants and other organisms convert light energy into chemical energy. Discover the role of chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, and glucose in this essential process. (20) Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration releases usable energy from nutrients, especially glucose, to produce ATP. Learn about glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, the electron transport chain, and energy production. (21) Mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division that produces genetically similar daughter cells. Explore its stages and understand its importance in growth, development, tissue repair, and cell replacement. (22) Meiosis. Meiosis is a specialized form of cell division that produces reproductive cells with half the chromosome number. Learn about its stages, genetic variation, crossing over, and importance in sexual reproduction. (23) Virus. Viruses are microscopic infectious agents that require host cells to reproduce. Explore their structure, genetic material, replication cycles, and interactions with living organisms. (24) Bacterium. Bacteria are microscopic single-celled organisms found in almost every environment on Earth. Discover their structure, reproduction, beneficial roles, and importance in ecosystems, industry, and health. (25) Fungus. Fungi are organisms that include yeasts, molds, and mushrooms and play important roles in ecosystems. Learn about fungal structure, reproduction, decomposition, and their relationships with other organisms. (26) Plant cell. Plant cells contain specialized structures such as chloroplasts, cell walls, and large vacuoles. Explore their organization and understand how these organelles support plant growth and photosynthesis. (27) Animal cell. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells with specialized organelles that perform essential life functions. Learn about their structure, organelles, communication, energy production, and cellular organization. (28) Neuron. Neurons are specialized cells responsible for transmitting electrical and chemical signals throughout the nervous system. Discover the structure of the cell body, dendrites, axon, synapses, and neural communication. (29) Heart. The heart is a muscular organ that continuously pumps blood throughout the body. Explore its chambers, valves, blood vessels, electrical system, and role in maintaining circulation and life. (30) Microscope. A microscope is an essential scientific instrument used to observe structures too small to be seen with the naked eye. Discover the principles, major components, types of microscopes, and their importance in biology. Conclusion. Thank you for joining LSKSM Vlogs for Biology Encyclopedia 30 Biology Symbols, Part 2, where we explored important biological symbols and their meanings in the fascinating world of biology. Stay connected with LSKSM Vlogs as we continue our educational journey and discover more exciting biology encyclopedia topics and fascinating discoveries in Part 3. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.